In this tutorial, we're going to go over the Get Connected option of the DroidBuilder's Holocron. Now, Get Connected is, you can locate this from the main menu, and just go ahead and click Get Connected. Now, the purpose of this module is to help you find the various building groups or community groups that are nearby you to help you with your droid building journey. So we can start by showing off the search function. So within here, you can see you can select by type. So we'll go over this. The build group types these are the groups that are international, and these will host very specific plans on how to build these types of droids. And you can see we've got all sorts of things in there. I particularly like Daleks, for example. We switch down, you can look at community groups. Now the community groups, those are the various groups around the world that we've curated from to basically help you find a local group near you for your building buddies, basically to get, help you meet people nearby. And you can search by country. We tried to limit it down by country, as each country is slightly different. The provinces in Canada or states in the U.S., it's very different. So we're just going to say country. If you needed to find something in Benelux, I don't even know how to say that, I gotta be honest. Benelux? There is a BBA Builders group in Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. So that'll help you locate it. You can also search. So I am located in the Atlanta area. So I'm going to go back and make sure I set my filter to any. I'm going to start typing in Atlanta, and you can see that we have an R2 Builders group in Atlanta that we meet. We meet every Tuesday, happens to be, but we also have a Facebook group. And so, in a nutshell, that's exactly what the Get Connected tab is for. Hope you enjoy.